A traveling block also has several side-by-side sheaves. A steel housing encloses them. Crew members thread or reeve the drilling line over the sheaves. A hook is attached at the bottom of the traveling block. The hook suspends the swivel, kelly, and drill string, or a top drive and drill string. This is a traveling block on an offshore floating rig. It has a drill string motion compensator. The motion compensator is between the traveling block and the hook. Offshore floating rigs move up and down with sea movements. The motion compensator maintains drill string position by counteracting up and down vessel movement or heave. On some semi-submersibles and drill ships, rig owners mount the motion compensator on the crown or the top of the derrick. The compensator eliminates the motion of the drill string from the hook to the bit. As the vessel moves up and down, hydraulic pressure inside a piston and cylinder keep the hook in a fixed position relative to the seafloor. The compensator keeps the drill bit on the bottom of the hole, within the weight on bit limits set by the driller. A typical compensator can compensate for up and down movement as much as 15 to 25 feet, 4.5 to 7.5 meters. Typically, two sizes of motion compensator are available. One can handle loads up to 400,000 pounds, or about 180,000 kilograms. Another one, which is bigger, can handle loads up to 600,000 pounds, or about 270,000 kilograms. Some traveling blocks have built-in hooks. They are a single integrated unit. The combination hook block is shorter and therefore allows more traveling distance when mast height is limited. Typical combination hook blocks have load ratings ranging from 175 tons to 650 tons, about 160 to 590 metric tons. Some traveling blocks and hooks are separate units. In this type, the bail of the hook fits into a clevis on the bottom of the traveling block. Crew members suspend the swivel and drill string from the hook. They open the hook's latch, insert the swivel's bail, and close the hook's latch. A safety catch ensures that the hook stays latched. Separate traveling blocks are available in load ranges from 100 to 1,250 tons, or about 90 to 1,125 metric tons. Sheave diameters range from 24 to 72 inches, 61 to 183 centimeters. That's 2 to 6 feet, or over half a meter to nearly 2 meters in diameters. Hooks have load ratings of from 350 to 1,000 tons, about 300 to 900 metric tons. The hook has 2 link ears. The crew attaches one-piece forged links and an elevator to the ears. They lock the links to the ears with the link locking arms. Crew members latch the elevator to tubulars, joints of drill pipe and other types of pipe, as they run them into and out of the hole. Crew members latch the elevator around the top joint of the drill pipe. Then, when the driller takes in drilling line, the traveling block goes up, raising the elevator and attached pipe. Conversely, when the driller lowers the traveling block, the elevator and attached pipe also go down. Crew members use many types of elevators. Which one depends on the kind and size of the tubulars. For example, most drill pipe and lifting subs require a center latch bottleneck elevator. But some drill collars require a side door collar type elevator. Tubing, a lightweight pipe used in completing wells, usually needs a slip type tubing elevator. Casing, large pipe the crew lines the hole with, requires a special heavyweight casing elevator. The two types here are the single joint casing pickup type and the 500-ton or 450 metric ton casing elevator spider. Most hooks have two locks: a rotation lock and an automatic positioner lock. Crew members use a long steel rod called a shepherd's stick or a chicken hook to unlock and lock the rotation lock and the automatic hook positioner. When crew members unlock the rotation lock, they rotate the hook to make the elevator face in the desired direction. Once positioned, they lock the rotation lock to keep the hook in position. Crew members can also release the rotation lock when the hook needs to rotate freely. The other lock, an optional automatic hook positioner, prevents rotation of the elevator links when the hook is traveling empty. Normally, just before making a trip encased hole, crew members unlock the rotation lock, turn the hook, and relock it so that the elevator faces the derrickman. This makes it easy for him to latch and unlatch the elevator. If crew members are tripping pipe in open hole, they activate the automatic hook positioner. This lets the hook rotate freely when hoisting the drill string. Allowing the drill string to turn an open hole as it is being pulled keeps it from damaging the hole and prevents the reeved drilling line from twisting. Then, when the elevator reaches the derrickman and the driller stops hoisting, the positioner automatically rotates the elevator into correct position for the derrickman. Inside the hook is a hydraulic snubber. The snubber is like a shock absorber. It prevents drill pipe bounce and tool joint damage when spinning out the connection.